different.
We're at Huntsville State Park, and today I am hiking with my family. Say hi, Leah.
Hi, my name is Leo, and I have a map here. I'm guiding everybody where we're going.
You're gonna guide us on the hike?
Yes.
Okay. Levi, what are we doing? We're going hiking? Where are we going hiking?
We're going hiking.
We're going hiking? And doing a hike right after Christmas. Enjoying this beautiful Texas weather. It's currently, how is the temperature? 70 something?
79.
It's probably 80 now.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Hey guys.
My sister Winnie.
Just joined Black Hiking Queen.
I saw Bibi going hiking.
She just brought us to this beautiful park called Huntsville State Park. It's so gorgeous out here. Y'all have to check it out.
Yep.
Hey
And my other
guys.
sister, Gladys.
Today I am in Black Hiking Queen's vlog. And we're going hiking. This is fun. It's so refreshing and it feels good. Time to get some calories burned. I love it. Make sure to subscribe.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. This park is really pretty. Let me try to get in the sun so y'all can see me. It's a gorgeous day here in Texas. This is the Prairie Trail, I think. It's really beautiful. An alligator back there. Somewhere back there. Sticking out. There's alligators at this park.
Hey, look at that duck.
Oh, look at that jug.
Yeah, we're almost done with this trail, so we're gonna go check out the park area and go look at the water and then call it a day. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to keep up with any new videos that I post. We're swinging on a swing. Haven't done this in years.